everyone. In this video, I'll be showing how to extract numbers from a cell in Excel. I have a student column ID here with alphanumeric combination for each student ID, and I would like to extract the numeric portion of each student ID into the numbers column. In order to do so, I will go ahead and type in 1 to 8, which is the numeric portion of Aaron's student ID. Now, what I'll do is I'll click on cell E5 and then press Control E combination, which will automatically fill all the remaining numeric portion of the student IDs. Excel uses flash fill to automatically fill the remaining cells. This is how you can easily extract numbers from a cell in Excel. Hope this video helps you all. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thank you all. Bye-bye.